Hello everyone, in this video, let's learn how to solve this 2025 MIT Integration Bee. Alright, the integral from 0 to 2 pi of psi s, cosine s, tangent s, cotangent s, secant s, cosecant s, ds. Alright, now we have tangent s times cotangent s equals 1, right? We have sine s times cosecant s equals 1, right? We have cosine s times secant s equals 1, right? So then this guy becomes the integral from 0 to 2 pi. This guy and this guy cancel out, right? This guy and this guy cancel out. This guy and this guy cancel out, right? So then this guy becomes 1 ds, right? So it's going to be s evaluated from 0 to 2 pi. So it's going to be 2 pi, right? This one is the final answer. If you have another way to solve this problem, please leave a comment and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.